Meaning of domineering.
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 Domineering. Domineering means someone who behaves in a way that is bossy, controlling, and overbearing, often using their power and authority to get what they want without considering others' feelings or perspectives. A domineering person may try to manipulate or bully others into doing things their way, or they may simply ignore others' input altogether. This type of behavior can lead to resentment, conflict, and a lack of cooperation among coworkers, friends, or family members. It's important to recognize and address domineering behavior to maintain healthy relationships and a positive work environment.